We talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clash Royale app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Clash Royale app, or just click here on search. Then here at Clash Royale app, it's going to show for you like this here. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to, so when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on force stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.